the nitrous thing, so you have to follow like those lines. Usually,
That is fucking beautiful, Scott.
look, bro, look at the handles how they twist.
Wait till I get my car.
And then he got the camera.
Do not tell me.
Fake. That's always.
Yeah, he took it hard too.
I think
He just swooped in it. He just swooped in and said, "Fuck you."
Yeah. Yeah, I saw he took the spot.
I was like, nah. But I like this spot better though. Next to the other red car.
you got the cam to see people's reactions.
Yeah.
That's tough. Right now, I'm pushing like 5 horsepower right now. But again, I'm fine with that. I had another one. I had a 93.
Yes, swear.
950 twin turbo, 250 shot of nitrous. Last day at Moroso, when they were shutting it down, I went over there, a bunch of my buddies, and I was like, fuck this car.
But that's the
Right? Nitro? Huh? Nitro? What?
K-Series, K-tuned. So fucking sick. Nah, this is like, this thing is pushing. This thing is pushing hella, bro. That's the missing side headlight, so it gets more intake. Dude, this thing is pushing. Look.
You gonna keep it NA?
Oh, I forgot, like a couple of SC. So they're definitely, we took them out on this, everything that goes there is fit. It's the only person car I'm taking a picture of that's not mine, bro.
I should tell him. The light bar is just crazy. The light is
This shit is hard.
And then he's ready to shit too.
Yeah, he is.
That's cool.
Oh, I mean, why wouldn't you though?
Right. I would like to see people's reaction.
No, fuck shit, you actually touch my shit.
What? You think they brought like...
Touch my shit.
They got small.
Oh, they lowered that
They
bitch.
got me more sense.
How that thing going?
What are you talking about?
I want to see how this is. Let's see.
We're talking about car.
Nigga said that. Nigga said that blue shit.
You ain't seen this shit right here?
No, I literally seen it.
That shit nasty.
I had to get a better angle.
That's what I'm saying.
They're missing a sun bubble.
Is that a
Warning.
Chili's handle thing for the pot?
And then he got the camera.
Do not talk.
Fake.
That's always sticker.
Twitch. Mesh.
When I first put up,
I love it.
EG Civic Hatch.
Brody got fake taxi inside.
You got fake what?
Fake taxi inside.
Fake tats?
Fake taxi.
Oh, fake taxi?
Fake taxi?
Yeah, where?
You're sick. You're sick.
eso trae una cosa que se llama PT. Cuando pasas las 6000 revoluciones, hace así como que se dispara con una doble presión. Sí. ¿Para qué sirve? Es la cámara. Así como ese es igual, pero...
That's why I look at something like this and or anything like this with cars. Because the customer service is great. It's
Estaba viendo este que tiene así como los inyectores. No tiene turbo, pero sí anda como uno.
I just peeped all the so last year. I'm not talking this
¿Cómo? ¿Ya viste el header? Ese header se llama inequal, que es así como cada tubo va como diferente medida. Y cuando toca el VTEC, se así como un Subaru, es así como disparejo la salida.
Se da cuenta que toda la presión se ve entre ellos aquí y luego la salida se lo maneja así. Estamos yendo una sola cuenta.
Por eso a veces el Honda
va la mierda del downpipe allá, man, y el inversor del
lo vendiste.
el downpipe ese no era mío, venía en el carro. Un más que llegó ahí. Me quería comprar un turbo que te dije, por eso tenías allá en el fondo del garaje. Para sacar eso en una hora me hubiera llevado. Yo sé que iba a hecho bien, pero
a este le puedes poner un radiador así como pequeñito.
Sí, vaya. Ese es el radiador que yo quería con ventilador, el ventilador.
Este no tiene aire acondicionado, creo.
¿Tienes el ventilador ahí?
No tiene. Yo necesito seca. No hay problema. Algo rápido.
I understand that's what a music can do, but that bass is where it's at.
Okay.
Headers are nice and slow. All the shit flies. A real deal TikTok.
Aquí hay cosas. Hay cosas
That's a force.
Cosas que necesitan.
In it. Huh?
Y en la broma de directa.
No, I was just trying to see.
Those headers, dude.
Yeah.
Those headers are sick. You see the headers?
Yeah.
Look, bro, look at the headers how they twisted it.
Yeah, that's
Sick
crazy.
is that?
That's nice as hell. Pretty sure that's nitrous, no?
What?
Right
Where? No, that's just a fuel rail. It's your aftermarket fuel rail you get on some of the case here.
It's fully NA?
It's fully NA. I'll let you know if it was nitrous.
Yeah.
It's fully NA. This is a nitrous thing, so you have to follow these lines.
Yeah.
So this is a nitrous thing, so you have to follow like those lines. Usually it's like, I forget where they are.
Right here?
Now, it's this little line to this, this might be the thing right there.
Yeah. Alright, that's nice.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
it's like discreet. Usually, sometimes they're in like little things, or like
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was
yeah,
like
like little
straight.
things. But those are just the injectors.
Yeah.
Those are the injectors you gotta case. I'm building one myself.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What you building? K24?
Yeah,
With a K20 or no? Just straight K20.
K24. I'll end up probably turboing it. It's gonna be in a
Yeah.
Volkswagen Golf from 1996.
Oh shit, that's nice. That's cool as fuck.
The build's coming along. The car's
Yeah.
gutted right now. The engine's getting put back together, so it's coming along.
I'm trying to build a RSX. I have a RSX for the K20, but I want to build a K20.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the car already. Man, with the